soul crushing night for 2/3 of the Sports Republic, and a little more percentage because I also like Virat Kohli a lot, and to see him a little sad at the end of the game, थोड़ा सा दुखी दिख रहा था यार Virat at the end of the game. He wanted to win this IPL. He was not showing it. Probably he was just showing, he's taking it very easily. But yeah, so just to wrap it up, RCB batted first, scored 138 for 7 in their allotted 40 in their allotted 20 overs. KKR in reply panicked a little bit in the end. Fantastic over, I think the third last over by Mohammad Siraj sort of brought a little life to the game that was, sort of lag raha tha ki jaldi khatam ho jayega. Eventually, KKR won by 4 wickets with 2 balls to spare. I don't know what to say. I have 3 words which are the same. Narayan, Narayan, Narayan. क्या हो गया विकास? Not funny today.
बंदा पीछे ही पड़ गया यार नारायण हमारे.
पीछे पड़ गया भाई.
मतलब यार मैं हर बार जब ड्रीम 11 में होता है ना तो नारायण वर्सेस आरसीबी इज क्रेजी. इज एब्सोल्युटली क्रेजी. और बंदे ने यार पूरे सीरीज में विकेट नहीं मिल रहे उसको, और आज क्या क्या विकेट लिए. विराट कोहली, एबीडीज बॉल वाज अ मैजिक. मैक्सी मतलब एंड देन दोस 3 सिक्सेस. मतलब somehow पर्पल पटेल और यूजी थोड़ा सा जान फूक रहे थे हर थोड़ी देर के बाद कि अब थोड़ा सा कुछ कर दूं, अब थोड़ा सा कुछ कर दूं. एंड देन यू गेट लाइक legendary Dan Christian's over. I don't know where to start from. The selection, man. Why are we playing him? Why were we playing him for such a long time?
ये गुस्सा तेरा अभी लास्ट गेम में हारने के बाद क्यों निकला? उसको तो पहले से खिला रहे हैं वो.
मैं इसको पहले से भी यही बोलता था कि इसको हम क्यों एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर रहे थे. हम सेम टीम के साथ ही खेल रहे कब से फिजूल में. डैन क्रिस्टियन वाज यूजलेस, तब से यूजलेस खेलते आ रहा है, आज भी यूजलेस खेला. यूजलेस.
Dan Christian has scored 14 runs this tournament, and that over he conceded 22 runs. Vignesh?
Yeah, in a run chase of 6.75, Dan Christian का economy rate 17.4 का था. When it has to come down, it has to come down, right? मतलब जो सारे आपके weak links थे, it had to explode. हम मतलब बात कर ही रहे थे कि कोहली has to find another gear after the power play. वो नहीं हो पाया. That was a weak link. Over dependence on Maxwell, that was exposed again. 6th, 7th, 8th का जो है, not bringing in Kylie Jamieson for either of हम बात कर ही रहे थे.
Not understandable at all.
And शायद RCB went the other way thinking कि हम लोग मतलब इतने सालों से हमेशा change करते हैं. Let's not change. मतलब गंदी टीम को change नहीं करने में कोई समझदारी नहीं है. But eventually it all boils down to the person that you have been following, and you badly wanted RCB to win for that guy. Matlab, rather than anything else, not for the culture, not for the way they play the sport, but just for that one man. जब वो नहीं हो पाया तो that was the emotional part of it. But if you have to look at very objectively, KKR were a far superior team, and that there is no harm or there is no shame in admitting that we lost to a superior team.
We lost the superiority, and those guys were like एक तो विराट ने बैटिंग लिया.
I was coming to that. Do you think सही decision था batting first?
I think it was not a bad decision, but the way I think sometimes you got to give credit to the opposition. और जिस तरीके से सुनील नारायण, like Shashank has mentioned this earlier as well, कि Sunil Narayan and Varun Chakravarti gonna haunt us, and they did. Again, those 2 overs, I think again those 2 overs of Shakib Al Hasan जो over the wicket आके डाल के clamp कर दिया था विराट और मैक्सवेल को. I think that helped them a lot as well. और उनके स्पिनर्स ही खत्म नहीं हो रहे थे भाई. मतलब समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा था उनके स्पिनर्स ही खत्म नहीं हो. एंड कैसे उन्होंने शिवम मावी और लॉकी फर्ग्यूसन को कब आके उन्होंने 8 ओवर निकाल के गए. आई जस्ट डिडंट रियलाइज उनकी. बाकी मुझे only I could see where like Varun Chakravarti, Sunil Narayan and Shakib.
Actually, Mavi got hit for a few in the early. You started really well. RCB started really well.
There's a
Mavi
lot of
got.
content.
Yeah, I think you lost the way in the middle, where you failed to accelerate. Again, मतलब कि वो एक होता है कि after RCB gets a good start, they get bogged down. मतलब जहाँ पे 160, 180 के रन रेट पे विराट या पटिकल में से एक कोई और कोई 130, 140 पे खेल रहा होता है. After coming to the 8th over or something, 6th, 7th over, वो दोनों के strike rate comes down to around 120, 130. ये I think this has been a constant theme. और यही हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि एक दिन मैक्सवेल नहीं चला. I think he has 50s in the last, what, including this last 6 innings में उसकी 5 50s हैं, and today he missed out. So it had to happen, and unluckily for you, it happened on this day, because it was looking like that. Yeah, Virat wasn't at his best in this tournament. ABD did not get started at all. In the UAE, बिल्कुल just इंजन ही स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ उसका. मतलब I don't know, he did not get enough balls. ABD is not a bad player here. I didn't think he got enough balls to sort of play, because एक वो मिल गया है आपको, एक शिखर भरत. I said before the game also, भाई तुम लोग को बोला भी था कि Maxi should come at number 3, ABD should come at number 4. Shikhar Bharat is nice, is a good player, and
especially when you are batting.
Yeah, chasing wise, देख आरसीबी का रिकॉर्ड इस सीजन बहुत अच्छा है चेसिंग में. दे आर द बेस्ट सॉरी नॉट चेसिंग में, डिफेंडिंग में. दे आर द बेस्ट एट डिफेंडिंग. दे हैव व्हाट 81 83% सम विन रिकॉर्ड व्हाइल डिफेंडिंग. सो आई थिंक ही वेंट फॉर दैट. बट टीम को भी थोड़ा सा देखना पड़ता है कि कौन है तुम्हारी टीम में. एंड व्हेन द बैटिंग गेट्स अ लिटिल इजियर इन द सेकंड इनिंग, थोड़ा सा ड्यू एक फैक्टर प्ले करता है. एंड दे हैव 3 quality spinners in Shakib, VC and Sunil Narayan. I think you should have. I think I also thought कि record के हिसाब से ठीक decision लिया है, but I think थोड़ा सा nuanced decision होना चाहिए था वहाँ पे. थोड़ा सा flexible होना चाहिए था RCB को. Other than that,
wasn't a good decision यार. मतलब considering कि शारजा is a short boundary, अगर दुबई या फिर अबू धाबी रहता तो there is a benefit of doubt कि scoreboard pressure. यहाँ पे आपने देखा right, मतलब उसके 100 slot जो हैं, सुनील नारायण के 3 छक्के जो हैं, which might at other grounds might have been catchable and stuff like that. So it wasn't a good decision. And KKR has lost both the games defending target in UAE.
Exactly.
Those are
that
the
is also
now if you talk about it, like I also think कि अगर जैसे जब मैं विकेट का इसके बारे में भी देखा था, शारजा के बारे में, कि लो स्कोरिंग होते हैं. लो स्कोरिंग आर गुड टू चेस, नॉट टू डिफेंड. आई थिंक मतलब ऐसा है कि बॉलर हर बार प्रेशर में होता है कि आई नो they know कि एक भी अगर हिट लग जाए then the opposition are in the game. And हमने 3 दे दिए थे डैन क्रिश्चियन से.
Yeah, 3 दे दिए थे. And see, I mean, there's another. I just want to throw some stats at you. RCB under Kohli's captaincy in the playoffs इसका रिकॉर्ड है. 6 games they have won 2 and lost 4. And the games they have won, ABD has been the man of the match in both of those games. So ABD, especially such a big match player, and him not matlab form mein going into these playoffs, there was always going to be a concern for RCB. Sunil Narayan is the first bowler ever to pick a 4-wicket hauls against 3 times against one opponent in the IPL. So he has done it. This is the 3rd time he has picked a 4-wicket haul. Now Sunil Narayan has the most 4-wicket hauls in IPL history. Today he crossed Lasith Malinga with his today's 4-wicket hauls. He is now on 8. Lasith Malinga stands at 7. 3 पे मिश्रा जी है at number 5.
मिश्रा जी is everywhere ना. मिश्रा जी is everywhere.
मिश्रा is everywhere.
मिश्रा जी बॉलरों का शिखर धवन है भाई.
One of the fact जो मतलब एकदम stand out था और शायद sum up करेगा कि Narayan is the only player in the playoff to score 25 plus and take 4 wickets in the same game. मतलब it was basically
true. That's there as well. So guys, like I mean, it's a disappointing end for RCB. I could see, I mean, I don't know, थोड़ा सा तुम लोग उस चश्मे से देख रहे थे. I think both of you said KKR are favorites. You predicted RCB, but both of you थोड़ा सा तुम लोग को उम्मीद थी. मेरे को actually काफी दिख रहा था. I think game was pretty, दिखा जितना close उतना था नहीं. It was pretty easy for KKR actually.
It was pretty easy for KKR. और मेरे को लगता है वो पता नहीं वो बहुत unnecessary, like Hedos and everyone was talking about it as well, कि unnecessary panic भी दिनेश कार्तिक कर रहा है युजवेंद्र चहल को. कुछ जरूरत नहीं थी.
Yeah.
एंड ओवरऑल मतलब मॉर्गन तो मतलब समझ में नहीं आता क्या किस टाइप का
See,
बैट्समैन है क्या
that
नहीं.
is their strategy this season. KKR, you have to understand this. Any team that is also playing KKR has to know कि they will not give you a inch. अभी मतलब वो है basically कि वो attacking cricket खेलते हैं और they have made it कि हारेंगे तो हारेंगे. Again, that England philosophy Morgan has bought into KKR, which is basically हारेंगे तो हारेंगे, but we'll continue playing our shots. और तुम लोगों ने देखा विकेट गिर रहे हैं उसके बाद भी आखिरी में तुम्हारा बांग्लादेश का कैप्टन आता है भाई, like your ex-captain of Bangladesh. मतलब I'm just saying कि that is also, and you see मतलब यार the two strongest side अभी तू देख रहा है KKR going in. If KKR had taken better decisions पहले phase में, they wouldn't have been in this position of needing to win 5 out of the 7 games to get into the playoffs. But just these two sides CSK and KKR कहीं तक भी बैटिंग करते हैं भाई वो लोग, कहीं तक भी बैटिंग करते हैं वो लोग. So that is, so I think going into the mega auctions, teams have to sort of figure out कि you have to have those batsmen slash hitters which that bowlers that can also bat going into the 8, 9, 10, 11 positions also. Now 11 positions also, you never know kaise chal raha hai IPL, what can happen. So just considering into that, just summing up RCB's season, a little disappointing. Shining light, AB, Harshal Patel. Yeah, can we clap for Harshal, bro? Can we actually do
Absolutely.
that?
They gave Harshal Patel literally gave his
हमेशा बोलते थे कि आरसीबी की सबसे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट सूट उनकी बैटिंग और बॉलिंग नहीं है. इस आईपीएल में उल्टा था, उनकी बॉलिंग उनकी स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट सूट थी, एंड दैट वाज लेड बाय हर्षल पटेल, युजवेंद्र चहल एंड मोहम्मद सिराज. In that order, I would say.
सिराज ने भी यार क्या ओवर डाला यार वो 17th ओवर.
Fantastic. Siraj can produce that. If you had a little more runs, अगर 10-15 रन और होते हमारे पास, तो that would have been a match winning over for sure.
हर्षल पटेल यार 33 हो जाता तो ज्यादा मजा आता है.
Yeah, for sure यार, मेरे को भी उसके लिए बुरा लगा. I too felt bad for him. I mean, but yeah, it is what it is. So I just want to know quickly, just summing up the season तो हो गया है. Anything you guys want to add summing up to the season? I think one thing I want to add is very happy for Virat Kohli. Never was a Virat Kohli captaincy fan, huge Virat Kohli batsman fan, but I would love it, कि बिना किसी pressure से just goes out, plays at number 3, his natural position, that don't want to adjust for anybody, just play your game. So Virat Kohli doing that, very happy for that. Your two thoughts, like I'll ask in one sentence, sum up the season for RCB and the 3 retentions for you guys.
For me, it was, so my reason for supporting RCB is Virat Kohli, and it will be a Virat Kohli forever. And yeah, I loved it. Whatever Virat has done, Virat ने बोला भी है कि 120, I gave my 120%, and that's what you want to listen, right? Result is not always in your control and all. And my 3 retentions will be Virat.
What a surprise.
3 retentions बोला है ना?
हाँ मतलब whatever you want to retain one only, तो विराट को रख. I mean, it's up to you. अगर 3, I'm assuming कि IPL तेरे को मतलब the decision hasn't come out कि retention rules क्या है, but assuming 3 तो होंगे retain. So according to that,
I'm going with Virat, Siraj, and DDP.
So ABD, Maxwell, and Yuzvendra Chahal are the 3 big names you're missing out. Okay, Vignesh.
Yeah, sort of, yeah.
Season for RCB, another season of what if ये करते, what if वो करते. So that has been a part of RCB शायद biggest legacy is what if it could have happened. Another season which promised so much and ends up an eliminator. But now you sound मतलब you mature and you kind of understand कि यार this was waiting to happen. So you take it on the chin and move ahead. Yeah. As far as the retention is concerned, I'm not sure मतलब if Virat Kohli will continue playing for RCB, will continue playing the IPL. If he does, RCB.
He said that. Yeah, he said that. Count that.
Yeah. So
assuming he plays, don't make the answer easy for you.
Yeah, but to pick Kohli, I'm going with 3 Indians and 1 foreigner का option, I guess.
No, 3. I have given him 3 है इसीलिए. I have given him 3.
चौथा तो मेरे पास भी overseas है एक.
Yeah. Then Kohli, Maxwell, and Chahal, Yuzvendra Chahal.
So you're going to be leaving out Devdutt Padikkal, the future superstar.
मतलब future superstar in the sense कि you have a battery of young Indian openers available in the pool.
But,
if not Padikkal, you can get.
But nobody is gonna सब retain करेंगे अपने openers.
मुश्किल है मतलब.
वेंकटेश अय्यर मिल गया तो replacement for Chris Gayle. Too early to say.
मतलब the loyalists too, Kohli and Chahal, मतलब long serving loyalist.
Okay.
Proven
I like
performers.
that. I like that.
Yeah.
And Maxwell for the spirit that he has brought into RCB this year.
Yeah. I think wise choice here. I think retain Padikkal. I would want him to succeed Kohli. आज भाई Padikkal is electric on the field, man. I love Padikkal on the field. वो एक catch छोड़ा उसने, and that was a tough catch.
वो 33rd wicket का catch था, इसलिए ज़्यादा लग गया मेरे को.
थोड़ा सा हाँ थोड़ा catch छोड़ा, but it's I think electric, like on the field he's electric bhai, and he gives
actually they were all of like,
and usko, he likes to contribute to RCB. उसको लगता है कि मतलब when he doesn't contribute उसको मेरे को थोड़ी सी disappointment लगती है उसके शक्ल में. So I would retain him for RCB. Virat of course for RCB, and the third one I will go for Glenn Maxwell. The third choice for my retention. Going into the next match.
So according to all of us, like अपने तीनों से, so end of an era. ABD.
Yeah,
absolutely.
End of an era and start of a new era for CSK maybe.
He'll play for CSK. That's what you're saying.
Age हो गई है CSK की.
Oh.
Age. Warner और ABD सोच अगर CSK ले.
नहीं भाई.
धोनी निकाल सकता है फिर और 3 साल आराम से अगर ये दोनों को ले लेंगे तो आराम से with Ruturaj already doing what he's doing. Dhoni can at least again play with 10 players and win the league. Yeah.
AB walked in तब मैंने उसके stats देखे 5000 रन 152 का strike rate. Insane man. And an average above 40.
Insane. Okay, I want to move on to the next match, which is KKR, the qualifier 2, which is Delhi Capitals versus Kolkata Knight Riders. Before that, एक question पूछता हूँ छोटा सा. Who's the best IPL bowler for you out of Sunil Narayan and Lasith Malinga? Who would you choose for your team? Anybody?
Lasith Malinga.
Just purely in terms of bowling, Lasith Malinga.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Just want to get that out of the way because that's a very trending thing right now on Twitter. Who is the greatest? The fight has always become. Twitter पे fight बन गई है.
RCB fans जाते नहीं भाई.
यार 973 रन बनाने वाला बंदा भाई.
We go like this.
Yeah, but you don't have anything to show for it. Yeah, moving on to the next game, bro. I think all जो भी claim कर रहे थे कि इस बार नया winner होना चाहिए. I think all of them would support Delhi Capitals.
I'm definitely supporting Delhi Capitals. I really want Pant to go out in the final and give it back to CSK. But matches in Sharjah. Yeah. So my prediction is different and my
feelings are different for the game. Okay, Vignesh, I'll straight away go to your prediction for the next game.
Prediction, it's KKR outright favorites here. If Delhi managed to pip them, then it will be a very big upset. शायद मतलब ये पूरे season का सबसे बड़ा upset होगा. If Delhi pip them, and I would be very very happy if Delhi do that. But KKR, Sharjah, outright favorites.
और KKR by I said yesterday कि ये teams जो हैं कई teams जो होती है franchises they used to winning और KKR वैसी मतलब भी वैसी SCSK भी वैसी team है. तो वो एडवांटेज है. शारजा का एडवांटेज है. लास्ट 3 गेम्स शारजा में खेले हैं. दिल्ली कैपिटल्स आर कमिंग फ्रॉम दुबई, अ बेटर बैटिंग सरफेस. They used to playing here. All the advantage, momentum, everything is Delhi on a 2-game losing run. 2 close games they've lost. KKR are beating people convincingly. Russell is not. भाई अगर Russell अभी फाइनल का है दुबई में है ना फाइनल. सीधे Russell एंटर करता है, उसके साथ हैमस्ट्रिंग उसकी सही होती है अगर उसकी तब तक. So that is even a more unbeatable team. But prediction, because we are going for KKR.
Prediction KKR.
Vignesh, you as well.
Yeah, KKR.
I just have a good एक अच्छा news है Delhi Capitals के लिए. अगर Delhi Capitals मेरे ख्याल से अगर वो left handers काम में आ जाए जो इतने सारे हैं उनके पास against this spin attack, और वो अगर कुछ कर पाए लेफ्टी राइटी और इनके पास थोड़ा सा लोअर ऑर्डर में थोड़ा सा सॉर्ट हो जाए, लाइक इट्स अगेन इफ्स एंड बट आई एम गोइंग विद केकेआर एज माय प्रेडिक्शन. सॉरी.
It's so difficult to read these two off on this surface, man. Varun
and
Chakravarti
shit man,
and
these guys came from 7th before. मतलब वरुण चक्रवर्ती ने पहला से पेस के इसी के लिए खराब किया था क्या, ये सेकंड पेस में आके अच्छा करे.
हाँ, अच्छा करे. ये
ये 6 महीने में 5-6 महीने में सारा रिदम लेके आ गए.
उसने ये किया है ब्रो. एंड व्हाट अ टीम दे लुक यार. दे लुक लाइक अ कंप्लीट टीम यार. और सुन ना, कौन नहीं परफॉर्म कर रहा है भाई. आंद्रे रसल अभी तक परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहा है भाई इनकी टीम में. मॉर्गन सपोजिटली अ वेरी गुड बैट्समैन. आई डोंट कंसीडर हिम अ ग्रेट बैट्समैन ऑन दीस पिचेस. वो इंग्लैंड की फ्लैट पिचेस में राशिद खान को छक्के मार के बहुत खुश होकर लोगों ने उसको बहुत ज्यादा हाइप किया था. बट अभी उसकी होल बैटिंग का उसको समझ में आ रहा है. बट they are performing without arguably the two biggest overseas stars in batting, and so it's just looking very glim for the rest of the. I think for CSK also they're a big challenge. They would also want DC to win. I think everybody are going to be supporting DC tomorrow. So my prediction is also Delhi Capitals. I am supporting my team because anyways आज के मैच के बाद मैं unbeatable हो गया हूँ इसमें predictions में. I went 3 up, so मैं हार तो सकता नहीं हूँ predictions अपना. So I'll go with my team, Delhi Capitals, और कल कोडगो को खत्म कर देंगे bro.
परसों
एक गैप अच्छा हम लोग को एक दिन का गैप भी ज्यादा मिला है. नाइस.
And a wicket like Sharjah also needs someone just to go berserk यार. आज जैसे सुनील नारायण ने दिखाया. It just takes
मारे. Come on Pant, we got Pant, Rishabh Pant guys, come on.
शॉट का Desert Storm, come on. मुश्किल है.
Iyer and Shaw will be key मुझे लग रहा है. Iyer and Shaw.
I think Delhi की bowling will be key. I think if they ball well on that surface, only then they can win, because it will be KKR की bowling is just too good. You have to come close to that,
And I'm picking the legend of IPL. I'm picking Gabbar. Gabbar आएगा भाई. गब्बर आएगा. गब्बर जिताएगा तुम लोगों को मैचेस अगर जीत रहे तो.
अगर जीत रहे देखते हैं. Let's see. मैं बताऊं मैं अपना दूं कौन जिसको सब गाली दे रहे थे. रविचंद्रन अश्विन. Look out for रविचंद्रन.
Oh, Ash.
रविचंद्रन अश्विन.
Ash has got the thing with left-handers as well.
हाँ, हम लोगों ने सारे प्लेयर्स के नाम ले लिए ऑलमोस्ट. ठीक है.
नहीं मैंने अपना एक लिया.
मैं हिटमायर का भी नाम लेता हूँ. हिटमायर का ओके.
हाँ, वो आरसीबी से भी गया है. रिकॉर्ड भी वैसे ही होता है कि जो आरसीबी से जाता है उसका अगला सीजन क्रेजी.
Hetmeyer is serious talent यार. He can take spin down. He can take spin down.
Yeah, do you think there are any chances or news ऐसे तुम लोगों ने सुना है कि Stoinis is coming back or something? नहीं.
No news यार. And I don't think they're
confident here. I would be hugely confident if Stoinis is back. Like,
even if at least Billings come in, he is a very good player.
Not on Sharjah यार. Not on Sharjah. Not for me, bro.
Busy player है भाई. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि
you cannot bring in a new guy for the playoff मेरे हिसाब से यार. I think you have to give chance to either who has had match experience, game experience, be it Tripal Patel, be it Tom Curran only, but somebody who's had some experience.
It will be the equally unknown quantity ना दूसरे टीम के लिए भी. ये जो Morgan is high on matchups and that stuff. मतलब you need an experience like Steve Smith also. अगर if it's a 140, 150 का wicket.
Yeah. But what I want from Delhi's fast bowlers is to absolutely blow KKR away. Just if they can do that, that's the only chance we have. Otherwise, it's curtains, I think.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Commiserations, CSK, RCB fans. You could not, complete your dream of facing CSK in the finals. But I hope for a better season next year for you guys, especially for Virat Kohli, because it'll be fun seeing Virat Kohli next season. And see you guys. If you like this channel, please subscribe to the Sports Republic. Like the content that you're watching, please hit the like button, comment down below, and we'll engage with you over there. Thank you.